Good morning, everyone. Welcome Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, February the 28th, 2023, the last day of February. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's Medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, a Suguru. And last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. 4 of them. And what's the news of today? Well, news of today, let me show you the news of today. Well. We have here beautiful view. The Aurora Borealis. Yes. It's not often that we can see those lights, yeah, the North Pole lights, because you need to go to up to the north, to Sweden, Norway, but not in the Netherlands. So it's not often to see those lights here. All right, enough with the news of today. Let me start with the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 6036. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 26. Again 26. Yeah, the medium Sudoku I've noticed lately has always 26. Sometimes 27, but lately 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 or 20 minutes. All right, so let's get started. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 3, 2, 6. Come on. 1 and 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and... No. Yeah, 1 and 8 in the first column, so no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes at there. Alright. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, okay. Then. Let me see. 7, 6, okay. 7. Come on. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 8. 4. 1, 4, 3. Yeah. 3. The 8. Come on. 4. How about the number 9 in this column, 9 in that column? So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Oh, I cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about 3, 3, okay. 6, 7, and 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 7, 1, and 3. Okay. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1, and yeah. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. Well. 7. Come on. 7. I'm looking for an opening. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5, okay. 5. 5. Oh, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 5. Now I need to wait again. 9, 7, 5, 4, 4, 4. Move a 4 here. Okay, 4, 4. 4, 4, yeah. Well, complicated move. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this last column, so no 4 in these 2 marks. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in the third row, so no 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4 here. Need to wait. Here I need a 4. Look, we have 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay. Here we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. That means 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, no, 2, okay. 3, 3. Okay, 2, no, cannot continue with the 2 now. 6 and 7. All right. Okay. And now. 5, the 8 should be there. The 9 should be here. 8, okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Yeah. 8, 8. Cannot continue with the 8 now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in this column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. Here, so 1 and the 3. 7. Okay. 7 and a 6, I believe. Yeah. 1, 6 and a 3. 1, 1, 3, 3. 6 could be everywhere. Oh, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have 1 and a 6 in the first row, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. 1 digit left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Right. Seven in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We share 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7. Could be 7 everywhere there. Okay. 6, 6. Need a 6, need a 3, need a 8. 6, 3, 8. 3, 3. 3. Need a 3 here. Alright. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 6. 6, 7. 1, 3. 3, 3. 7. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 9. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 and a 9 in this column. 3 and a 9 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Alright. That means we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. And a 5. Need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We share 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 and a 3 is this. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last, third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, okay. 3 now, yeah. These 2 missing numbers are, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. That means the other 2 missing numbers should be the 3 and the 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so 1 digit left. Here we have a 1 and a 2. I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe 9, yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the first row. 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 number left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left now. 3 and the 7, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. How about the 3s? And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 here. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, if you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. We will meet again, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And see you in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.